Okay, let us begin with this. My name is Masa Arshad Dalvi, and this video is specially for your lesson number 2, motion of your 7th standard, and that is of your ICAC board. And let us begin with this. We have 8 problems. This is a page number 40. This is a page number 40. We have 8 problems, and इसमें से बहुत से problem easy भी है. Means just one formula, somewhat filling, and that's all. So let us begin with this. And before this, मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ कि अगर आपको कोई भी न्यूमेरिकल प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करना है तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल रीड, अंडरस्टैंड एंड क्रिएट अ डायग्राम ऑफ दिस. मतलब ये जो सम्स है उसको रिक्रिएट करो. सो लेट अस बिगिन विद दिस. This is your first sum. I repeat, this is your J numerical problem, page number 40, and I am reading this. A motorcycle rides from Delhi to the Gurugram, covering a distance of the 63 kilometer in 1 hour 45 minutes. Calculate the average speed. First of all मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ डायग्राम ड्रॉ करो. First of all, a motorcycle. So let us make something. Roughly do understand this motorcycle. Okay, the motorcycle, then what we have is Delhi to so we have Gurugram, so first destination and the second destination, and then distance is, okay, the distance is your 63 kilometer, and then time taken is, the time taken for the vehicle is your 1 hour and 45 minutes. So that's all. And then क्या find out करना है? Calculate the average speed. Okay, the speed का formula सबको पता है. Speed is equal to distance upon your time. So now ये बहुत simple है. Okay, distance दिया है and time भी दिया है. तो you have to just do the division of this and that's all. But just like ये hours में and ये minute में, तो we can do this. First of all, we have to convert this. Means if we convert this 1 hour 45 minutes into purely minutes, what we get is your 105 minutes. And over we have the distance. Okay, so distance we have your like what we have is 63 kilometer. But there is one more condition. Now ये minutes को हमें वापस hours में convert करना है. तो if we convert this minutes into hour, then we get something 1.75 hours. Because see, while calculation we can take, मतलब हम लोग ये नहीं ले सकते कि hour and then we have somewhat minutes. Either वो पूरा minute में रखो, either वो पूरा hour में करो. I am taking this hour because if you see your question, तो यहाँ पे उन लोग ने दिया है the speed is a kilometer per hour. तो इसलिए yes, you can do by minute also, but किधर ना किधर units में झोल होगा. Means you have to write kilometer per minute. And yes, that is also right, but as per the question, kilometer per hour. And then if you divide this, if you do the division of this, means you're filling it. I will do filling once again. This is your S जो हमें find out करने का. And then what we have is your D, that is given 63 kilometer, and this is the time जो हम लोग ने convert किया into pure hours, that is your 1.75. And if you do the division of this, you will surely get a 36 kilometer upon your hour. So this is your first sum, and let us begin with your second sum. Okay, now the second sum what we have, this is the athlete complete its 800 meter race in 2 minutes. Again I will say diagram draw करो. Diagram बहुत important है. मीन्स डायग्राम देख के तुम लोग को क्लिक होता है, अरे ये फॉर्मूला चाहिए, वो नहीं चाहिए. ओके, सो दिस इज रियली नाइस एंड मैं हमेशा यही करता हूँ. इट मेक्स, मतलब इफ यू कैन ड्रॉ द डायग्राम ऑफ द न्यूमेरिकल, देन योर हाफ वर्क इज ओवर. ओके, लेट अस स्टार्ट विद दिस. एटलन कंप्लीट द 800 in 2 minutes. Okay, let us take उनका रेस ट्रैक लेते हैं. लेट दिस बी द रेस ट्रैक and let this be 800, means this is the man running. Okay, and okay, this is the starting point. I will say 1 is the starting point, and then 800 meters in 2 minutes. मतलब ये पूरा सर्कल ये कंप्लीट करता है in just 2 minutes. Okay, so what is given? पहला ये मत देखो निकालना क्या, पहले देखो दिया क्या. We have the distance 800 meters, and then we have your, this time is your 2 minutes. क्या बचा, मीन डिस्टेंस है, टाइम. तो अगेन if we are not seeing what to find, then bacha gaya is your speed. Let us see next. Okay, calculate the average speed. Again the same problem, and this is also really easy. But one thing. To find the speed in the ms. Now सबसे पहले यहाँ पे इन द फर्स्ट सम हमने क्या देखा था, दैट इज 1 hour 45 minutes. देन हम लोग ने उसे पूरा कन्वर्ट किया प्योरली इन आ, वो मिनट में भी हो सकता है कन्वर्ट और प्योरली सेकंड्स में भी हो सकता है. बट इन दिस सेकंड क्वेश्चन लोग ने पूछा है दैट इज योर एमएस. सो इफ यू कन्वर्ट दिस 2 minutes इनटू प्योरली सेकंड, अभी 1 मिनट में कितना सेकंड है 60, तो 2 मिनट में कितना होगा, इट्स ऑब्वियस 120. Okay, so we have speed is equal to distance upon time. Distance तो fix है, and then what we have is your time. Time is 2 minutes 120 seconds. बहुत easy है, 120 seconds. And then if you do the division of this, you surely get a 6.6 ms. That's really a nice. First and second sum बहुत easy है, just same formula and same steps. Okay, let us move on to the third sum. And yes, you can write down this also, and diagram बहुत important. Diagram को marks नहीं होते normally, but if you are drawing the diagram for your own, then it will make your sum easy. Really, it will make you, मतलब exact physics उसमें क्या चालू है ये तुम लोगों को पता चल जाएगा. Okay, let us see next what we have is your third one. A car running in the uniform speed of 90 km/h. Find its speed ms in ms. Okay, the car. Okay, again this is your third one, third, and then we have the car, and then it's moving with a uniform speed. मतलब speed is given, the speed is given as your 90 km/h. then इन लोग ने बोला find the average speed in ms. अभी बहुत से लोग क्या बोलेंगे पता है, अरे इसका डिस्टेंस किधर है, वेयर इज d, देन वेयर इज द t. बट द थिंग इज, वापस एक बार क्वेश्चन रीड करो. द क्वेश्चन which is given is you have to do a pure conversion means what we have is your this from your kilometer r into your ms. So I will directly see जो 90 है ना, there was one student जिसने मुझे क्वेश्चन पूछा था कि ये 5/18 किधर से है. मतलब if you solve this given and this is your formula, if you solve this you will get a 25, you get somewhat a 25 ms which is the right answer. But 5/18 कहाँ से है, तो ये दोनों के बीच में फर्क कितना है. If you say how much kilometer is your how much नहीं sorry I will not say, वो थोड़ा बड़ा हो जाएगा. Then I will say how much is 1000 meter कितना किलोमीटर है, तो you will say 1000, तो write 1000. And now if I ask कि 1 hour में कितने seconds होते हैं, तो 1 hour में we have 60 minutes and in 1 minute you have the 60 seconds. So 60 multiplied by 60, तो आंसर क्या आएगा, that's obviously is your 1000/66, दो जीरो कैंसिल, 2 5 and that's 18. तो ये 5/18 यहाँ से आया बाय कन्वर्जन. ये भी तुम लोग यूज कर सकते हो, मीन्स यू कैन राइट 1000/3600. ये भी राइट है, इज नॉट रॉन्ग. दिस इज ऑल्सो राइट, बट usually I pick this. Okay, so one student had asked this question, तो ये उसका आंसर है. 5/18 कहाँ से है. This was your third. Again ये भी बहुत easy है. Let us see your fourth one. Okay, this is really a nice practical example. Then what we have, the Duronto Express takes 22 minutes to cover the distance of the 1500 from your this one station to the other station. Then what is the average speed of the train? Okay, what is the average speed of the train? First of all, ये भी बहुत easy है. Don't see कि question कितना long है. Never see that question is longer. इसका क्या answer होगा. I will just say what to do. Okay, now let us begin with your fourth one. Okay, so what we have is your train, and then it's moving, and then okay, that's all fine. Okay, it's moving with distance. Okay, मतलब your one station to your second station distance जो travel किया is 1650, that's kilometer. कितना time लगा? That is your 22 hours only. नहीं, कुछ ज़्यादा ही हो गया. Okay, so it's really long. Now क्या दिया? Distance we have d, we have time t. बचा क्या? Again this 1 2 and this is a fourth. तीनों भी sum बहुत same है. Okay. Now let's see इसमें कुछ conversion है क्या? This is your fourth one. Okay, no conversion at all. No conversion at all. Okay, speed is equal to your distance upon time. Distance given is 1650. Then your time is your 22 hours and kilometer per hour पूछा. No need for conversion. Directly इसका answer what you will get is 75 kilometer per hour, and that's all. That's all. So this is what you have. Okay. So 4 question अभी मैंने solve किए, and next 4 question का video in some day I will really put in this. So आज के लिए that's enough, and please wait for the second video also.